So this video might turn into me pushing my car to the next gas station, so let's hope not. And the gas station's right there, and it's $3.29. That looks really good. So because it's part of the problem, let me check my tire PSI. So right now it's 33 and 34. So I don't really think it affects the fuel mileage, but that's what my problem is. But let's just go get gas now. So now, because I don't want to pay like 80 bucks in gas, we're only gonna put a limit on it. So let's go inside and do that right now. Hey, can you put $55 on pump 5? Thank you so much. Now let's get the gas. This little gas button right here, which opens the tank, and then I'm getting this gas right here. So then we press that and we put it in. It's already pumping. I stuck it in there and then press the little lever, and now it's just going. So we'll wait for that to be done, I guess. It ain't gonna get much because I put 55 bucks in, so it's gonna go like not even halfway, but we'll see. So I'll wait for that to be done pumping. So now the gas is done pumping. So here it is. Woo! It is 16.672 gallons. Someone can use that in their stats problem. Okay, so now we take it out, and then we shove it back in here, and then close this little lid right here, see it? Like that. And then we shut this, and then hope I'm not locked out of my car. Okay, we're good. And that was getting gas with me. So now, let's go to the problem. A racetrack owner is wondering if tire PSI would affect the gas mileage a car would get. The manager is doing a survey of 20 cars that come into the station. He divides them into groups, one that are not inflated that much and one that have a normal PSI level. A, is this an experiment or treatment? Why? B, how could this experiment include blinding methods? C, the results were true for all 20 cars in the survey. Could this be generalized to all cars? And D, volunteers were asked if they wanted to take part in the survey and they get a prize after, like free gas. What type of bias is this? So for A, this is an experiment. An experiment is a trial or any procedure that can be infinitely repeated and has a well-defined set of possibilities. And a treatment is a factor in an experiment, and each factor has 2 or more levels. So it is an experiment because a treatment is in an experiment, so that's just common sense. B, this experiment could include blinding methods by having people not know their tire PSI. Blinding methods usually refer to keeping patients in the dark to if they're getting a placebo or not. In this case, not knowing their tire PSI might make them think that they're getting better gas mileage or worse gas mileage. The survey results could be generalized. They would have to be consistent with all car types and include all vehicles like trucks, motorcycles, and sports cars with gas-hungry engines. Generalization is when the results can be said for everything, not knowing all the variables that can be included. And D, the type of bias is response bias. It's response bias because it's saying if they contribute to the survey, they get gas. So many people might just do the survey just to get gas and not care about the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, you should be an expert on Chapter 4 vocab.